Together, let's take a look at how you can implement a pro code Copilot Studio as an add-in to your everyday productivity and communication tools such as Teams and Outlook. Starting in our Copilot panel on Teams, we can see all of our favorite generative features such as drafting an email, catching up on what's new, or recapping the status of some current sales. But what if I needed more specific custom information to filter through this chat? Well, using custom-built API add-ins, you have the ability to do exactly that. And whether you built the code yourself, you're using Microsoft's available samples online, or you're using tools like Copilot for GitHub to assist you in coding, the process to install this add-in remains the same. After your Pro Code add-in is built, you simply have to upload it inside of your Microsoft Teams Admin Center, ensuring correct access for anyone that needs to utilize your newly built tool. And after confirming access is correct, you can now find and interact with this new add-in directly inside of Teams. With our Pro Code Copilot Studio add-in uploaded, we can now find it under Plugins or More Plugins if you don't see it auto-populate. From here, we simply need to turn it on, and now we can start chatting with this new addition, giving Copilot a new set of data and boundaries to work within. Now, like many other features that we've walked through, Copilot will take just a minute to analyze all the necessary data, give you the information you are asking for, and provide it to the user in a way that is quickly digestible while being editable and continuously interacting with your other business technologies.